Good morning. So the 30’s bungalow today, we are starting the tiling. I've fitted the shower quadrant yesterday tray, I'll just show you that. So yesterday, removed the old shower unit, old shower tray. I fit the new Quadrant 1200 Quadrant shower tray on 10mm bed of yellow sand mix. Got me lower battens on ready. I've got my first adhesive layer on and we're going to start tiling. So I'll pause it throughout the job and we'll come back to it. So let's get started. I'm back. Got nearly 3 rows on. So start with a level timber at the bottom, and obviously I've got about 40mm just to trim around the floor. I'm using I think it's 170mm offset. I'll just measure it. Yeah. There's my little offset template. So I'm doing I'm on 170mm. So going for like I think it's 25% offset stretcher course, which I think will look a little bit better than a half, a 50% offset. So yeah, it's going okay. So gonna get another couple of layers off, get round the mixer done, and then target is today. Well, it's only 20 past 10. I'm trying to get the shower cubicle area, I'm trying to get that tiled out so I can get it on, dry, grout it, get the shower enclosure up, and then we can have a shower. Because by Monday there'll be some stinky people in this house. Right, pause again, I'll be back later on. Thank you. Right, just show you what we've done so far. So I've got that wall nearly up to the top of the door frame, around the mixer, etc. So I'm going to sign off now and I will be back tomorrow when I'll probably complete these 2 walls and getting ready to put the shower enclosure on. So that'll be a bit more exciting. Thanks for watching. Hit the thumbs up, like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.